Here's my toolbox tour as of right now, which is the 13th of February 2017. I've added a bunch of stuff. This magnetic tray, some zip ties and whatnot, crimp connectors, safety glasses. Tape measure was already there, Loctite, snap-on pry bar, Harbor Freight blow gun pistol grip, a whole bunch of screwdrivers. Let's see, my flashlight. I don't think that was added. Tecton 3-pound hammer. My snap-on hammer was already there. These dikes were already there in the first one. Different pair of pliers, a pair of needle nose. Alright, what the hell? Wrenches are pretty much the same. Standard here, metric here, metric ratcheting here, and some bigger Harbor Freight metric wrenches. Crescent wrench or adjustable wrench, pipe wrench, and here's where I added most of it. Got my 1/4-inch drive deep well Craftsman sockets, metric and standard. This 1/4-inch drive Craftsman set with a couple extensions. Snap-on 1/4-inch drive flex head. Bought these 3 extensions from Harbor Freight the other day. 1/2-inch drive impact extensions. This whole set of impact sockets from Harbor Freight. Duralast deep well chrome 3/8 sockets, standard and metric, some Evercraft hex bit sockets, some Carlisle Torx impact sockets, 3/8 drive. These are 3/8 drive as well. All my 3/8 drive is over here. The little bit of 1/2-inch drive over here. 1/4-inch drive over there. This Craftsman set. I never use this ratchet anymore. It's got a 3-inch extension. Mostly just use the sockets. I'm gonna get a socket rail so I got a little more room here. Carlisle ratchet, 3/8 drive, 90-tooth ratchet, snap-on 3/8 drive flex head, 72 teeth, which is funny because the Carlisle was cheaper. 1/2-inch drive adapter to 1/2-inch to 3/8 drive adapter, 6-inch Carlisle extension, and then a 3/8 to 1/2-inch drive Carlisle adapter. And I also have this Duralast 18-inch 1/2-inch drive breaker bar that I hardly use anymore. In my opinion, not really worth it. But then again, they're only $10. Some 1/2-inch drive sockets in here that I've never once used, so those are coming out since I got the impact versions of them, and these are just cheap Popular Mechanics. I think it says on the back of there, Popular Mechanics. My Craftsman drill that I already had